Hey Natasha, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things that I'll cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that is anything that you can see here on your website. That does also include the pictures and what your pictures are saved as well. So Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a homepage. So I would suggest adding a bit more content to your homepage, and you would also need to work in keywords and key phrases that people would be searching for when they're looking for a cleaning service. That is really going to help kind of jumpstart everything for you and kind of make you on your way to getting ranked on Google. But that's the only tip that I have for you there. We'll move on to citations. And I did pull up a Google search here for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And the citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business services and details. So you would want to go out and see where your competitors are being listed within those directories, and you would want to grab those listings for yourself. But you don't just want to stop there either. So for instance, say that your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You would want to grab all 10 of those, but then you would want to double, triple, quadruple that. So if they have 10, you want to get 20, 30, 40. That way you will completely dominate them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high in the maps here. So moving right along here to backlinks. And backlinks have to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a site out there that has a link to your website. And it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So for example, say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from your website and push one, from their website and push one back to your site. But that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more powerful and unique in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I did pull up one of the tools that I use here, and I did put your site into it. It's not showing any data for you at this time, but just to kind of give you a visual representation of what I'm talking about, I did pull up one of your competitors here. So they have 42 referring domains, which is giving them 116 backlinks, getting them found for 32 keywords, and that's driving about 7 people to their site per month. And let's see what kind of keywords they're using. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords, anything that someone is going to actually type into that search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. And we'll also pay attention to this column here. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched for monthly. So this is actually a perfect example of a buyer intent keyword. So carpet cleaning enterprise, Alabama. So it's showing the industry, and then it's showing the location that they're trying to target here. House cleaning services, Enterprise, Alabama, another good one. So I won't bore you and go through all of these, but this kind of gives you an idea of the types of phrases and words that you would want to add into your content on your website. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are, and then keep, again, adding on to that, doubling, tripling, whatever your competition has. That's going to definitely get you on that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you. But that's really all that I have for you today, Natasha. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more about Depth Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. And I hope that you have a wonderful weekend.